If you want to quickly add clean, professional-looking graphics to your design, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert customized ready-made shapes in Pixlr. This is a super useful trick if you want to build social media graphics, thumbnails, banners, or any design that needs a little extra visual interest without starting from scratch. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Pixlr tips and tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open Pixlr and get into your project workspace. To bring up the built-in element library, press Ctrl+B on your keyboard. This is the fastest way to access the shapes and ready-made graphics inside Pixlr. If you prefer using the menu, you can also go to File, then Browse Elements. Once the Elements panel opens, look for the Shapes category icon and click it. This will filter the available items so you can focus on shape-based graphics. Now, you can choose the kind of shape you want to use. Pixlr gives you a range of options, including graphic accent templates and geometric elements. These are great for adding modern design touches, creating backgrounds, highlighting text, or making your layout feel more polished. Simply click on the shape you want, and it will appear on your canvas or workspace. After you add the shape, the next step is to position it correctly. Select the Arrange tool, which is V on your keyboard. This tool helps you move the element around with accuracy so you can place it exactly where you want it. You can use it to align the shape with text, center it in a design, or tuck it behind other elements for a layered effect. Take your time here, because good placement can make a simple shape look much more professional. If you want to change the appearance of the shape, you can also customize its color. To do that, go to the top menu bar, click Adjustment, and then choose Hue and Saturation. This is where you can fine-tune the look of the shape so it matches your design style. Once the adjustment panel opens, drag the hue slider left or right. As you move the slider, you'll see the shape's tint change in real time. This is an easy way to turn one graphic into many different color variations without needing to replace the shape itself. You can use this technique to match your brand colors, create contrast, or make your design feel more cohesive. If the shape is too bold, you can adjust it until it blends nicely with the rest of your composition. If you want something more eye-catching, push the hue further until you get a brighter or more dramatic color. That's really all there is to it. In just a few simple steps, you can insert customized ready-made shapes in Pixlr, place them accurately, and adjust their colors to fit your design. This is a quick and powerful way to improve your graphics and speed up your workflow. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Pixlr guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.